How to change WhatsApp phone number. To get started, first of all, you need to open the WhatsApp application. Here, you will get to see your chat list. Now, you need to go to the settings. Tap on Account from the menu. Then tap on the option Change Phone Number. Tap on Next at the top right corner. Now, confirm your old phone number. After that, you need to put in your new phone number over here. Once you're done putting in your new number, tap on Next. Then, on this page, you need to read the instructions carefully and toggle on the option Notify Contacts. Your WhatsApp contacts will then be notified that you've changed your number. Once you're finished setting it up, tap on Done from the top right corner. So this is how you can easily change WhatsApp phone number. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.